Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to download all the video all the posts or all the photo in Instagram profile in one profile, all the video, multi video. So you just use your Chrome and go to the Google extension and try to download. We call the extension Mesh Downloader for Instagram. So you go to the extension on your Google Chrome and type Mesh Video you can type Mesh Downloader. Yes, again Mesh Downloader for Instagram. Click enter. And you can see the Mesh Downloader for Instagram appear on the top, and click on it and just add it to the Chrome. As you can see, I already added to my Chrome. So after you download and install it on extension, now you go to Instagram. So the example, I go to this profile and to show you how to use Mesh Downloader for Instagram to download all the videos. So as you can see, the Mesh video will appear here if you install it properly. So I want to download all this video. You just click on Mesh Downloader and you can see three options. The option number one, you mean that you want to download all the picture or the post or the video you select. You want to download as many as you want. If you want to download it and you click on it, it will download, and wait a moment, the file download will be in zip file. So just wait a moment, the download will complete, and in this moment right here, this is very perfectly for me and really free. So you just try it now, but in the future maybe it will be charged or will be unavailable. Yes, you can see the download is complete and the file will be in zip file. So I make a folder that called test to put the download in here, and you can see all the folder, and as you can see the download file is here, is a zip file. Yes, with Mesh Downloader. Loud nature is the title of the profile, and click right mouse and extract here. Boom. Yeah, you can see the video all are selected on the Instagram profile. You can see it's now downloaded. You can see yes, this video. Yes, selected video was downloaded. Now you can use any option that you want. You can click on it, and you want to download all, you just click by download by sequence. Means you can see all the post is 767. This is all the post, but it's very it's too much, it's too many. So you can decrease it if you want to 100 to 1 to 200. You can choose it by your own, or you can choose the download option 3. You can download all the that you want to download from that to that, from this that you want to download, from the month, from the day, from the week, or the post that post in the middle of this day we download by sequence. If you want to download all the video, choose number 2 is easy and download all the videos. So I hope you like it, so please make sure subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.